Welcome to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain about blogging, SEO, keyword research, and so on. So let's start. You have to choose your proper topic, like any topic you can choose. So my favorite topic is digital marketing. So I will explain in that niche in the sense the topic you prefer for blogging. So in my digital marketing niche, there are lots and lots of micro niches. Uh, so let me choose a particular topic and start writing a blog. I've already written a blog on what is email marketing, and I will share you the complete SEO concepts with that blog. So first, let's start with keyword research. Like which keyword you prefer that has to be searched by many people with specific words. So I will go to Uber Suggest, neilpatel.com. Here you can search, see what is email marketing, okay, and go with India. If you check out here, the search volume is 2900 on average, but the SEO difficulty, that is, it's not so difficult as you see. So SEO difficulty should be less than 30 to take that keyword, and the cost per click, the cost spent in Google for this topic, for a Google ad, that's called cost per click. So search volume is good. Anything more than 1000 is very good. Okay, you have to choose a keyword like this. Say what is email marketing, and there are more suggestions given here. See what is email marketing, what is the email, what is email marketing, why is email marketing important. So there are so many keyword suggestions given below. You can also choose that and start writing your blog on that topic. Okay, so now let me go to my own website. Here, before starting your blog, you have to link your website with Google. So first go to this plugin, add new, Yoast SEO. So you have to install and activate this Yoast SEO to proceed your on-page SEO. Okay, what is on-page SEO is like any SEO concepts implemented within your website. That is on-page SEO. You can do this SEO only with, there are so many plugins. Yoast SEO is one of the best SEO. So you can proceed with that. Now, after installing, you can find this SEO here. Go to that. Here, you have to choose this webmasters and go to this Google verification code. You will be having a plain text box. You will not be having any code here. Go to this Google search console. Click on this HTML tag. you will be receiving this code. See, copy this code and paste here and go and save it. Okay. So once it is saved, your website is integrated with Google, and you can start doing SEO so that you can rank your website in Google. So now let's begin with the blogging. So what is email marketing, right? So you have to go to post, add new post, and start writing your blogs. Okay. First, this is the keyword I searched. Okay. So this keyword should be given in the heading. Okay. And so the further SEO instructions will be given by Yoast SEO in the below, like you can see here. Okay, these are the SEO concepts the Yoast SEO gives. Okay, so first here is the focus key phrase. I have given email marketing as the major, because what is email marketing has a bit, I found it like 2900 is a very, I want to say, if you type email marketing, simple email marketing, the search volume is huge. So I just thought, okay, let me use SEO heading as key phrase as email marketing. And then once it is done, you have to give the SEO title. Okay, SEO title is like what is email marketing, how it helps in converting leads into sales. So I just gave a lengthy title so that I get a green symbol here. Okay, if I reduce it, see, let me reduce it. If you simply write it as what is email marketing, see, this orange has come. It should not be in orange, it should be in green. So this is what I have given as the SEO title. So if you search in Google and if your website is ranking in the first page, the display will be like what is email marketing, how it helps in converting leads into sales. Okay. So next is the slug. Slug is the URL. Like you would have found that your website, after that this kind of text would have been given. So this is slug. Okay, this slug should contain something related to your key phrase or heading. So I have given the heading as my slug here. And meta description is this one. While finding your site in the Google, there will be a small brief introduction about your blog. So that is meta description, and everywhere your key phrase should appear. Like for SEO, my key phrase was email marketing, slug email marketing, meta description email marketing. Okay, these are the major three concepts for SEO. So here you can see like what are the SEO analysis. I am yet to give internal links. I will explain what is internal links. Okay, first, everything is given in green. See, these all the concepts should come in green. That is like outbound link. What is outbound link is any other page links integrated in your blog. That is, for example, in my website, in my blog, I have given get response. Get response is one of the very good email marketing tool. So I have linked the get response tool website URL here. So that is outbound link. Any other website URL has to be placed in your blog. That is outbound link, and it is very mandatory. So inbound link is like any internal links, like you have some other post, you can also link that URL to your website. I mean your blog, this current blog. So that is what, even inbound link is very important. Okay. Next is image alt attributes. So image is like you have to use images. Without image, the SEO will not appear green. So see, these are the images I have given. Okay. So what is alt attributes is like, so this is alt text. You have to give an alt text here for this image. If you click and go to settings, there will be an option called alt text. You have to give a name to that pic. Okay. So that's how, and do not use any copyrighted pictures. You can always go to free pic or an unsplash freepic.com. Here you can get free images, or unsplash.com. Here also you will be getting free images. So get the images from freepic and unsplash.com. Never go to copyrighted images, because Google might ban your blog post. Okay. So that is image attribute. You have to use all the alt text for all the images. Only then the Google will approve your blog. I mean, you can easily get ranking in your Google. Okay. Now, what is key phrase introduction? See, for introduction is here. This is key phrase introduction, and first paragraph you should have a key phrase word. Okay. And for image attributes also, alt text should be with key phrase for at least one image or first image. Okay. This is key phrase introduction, and then key phrase length is good job. See, key phrase length is like, I haven't used one word. Okay, the length is good, and also I have used the heading with good length, so that's what it means. And then key phrase density. The focus key phrase was found 8 times. Like I have used 8 times the keyword 8 times in my blog, so that's a great number. Okay. And I've used the key phrase in meta description as well. Meta description length has to be written well. So let's see, this many the brief introduction should be not very small, it should be little bit more. Okay. Only then the meta description will be given in green. Okay. Previously used key phrase. I haven't used this key phrase in any of the other blogs. Okay. So key phrase in subheading, that is like, see, I have used my key phrase in this subheading. Okay. We have to use the key phrase in those things. Okay. Then text length. I have written the minimum text length is 400, but I have written it for 500, but you have to write for minimum 1000. I just wrote it for practicing purpose. I'll be increasing my words, so you have to write minimum 1000 words. The key phrase in title, that is like I have given the title, right? Title key phrase is mandatory. SEO title and key phrase slug, everything is in green. Okay. Now internal link. Internal link, you have to give it give your own link to this website, to this blog. Okay. So these things should be given. I mean, the SEO should be in green. Only then your on-page SEO will be active. Okay. If your SEO is not in green, either it goes with red or orange, it is very difficult to rank your page in Google. Okay. And this readability is completely grammar, guys. It's like you you cannot do all the, you cannot fulfill all the conditions here. So the maximum you can is okay, but you have to raise this readability also in green. Okay, so here like flash reading is like you have to give it as much easier as possible. Your English should be simple English. You should not go with some complicated words, because your page will not be visited only by some higher official. It will be visible for everybody. So you have to write your English in such a way that it's like it's very easy to understand. That is flash reading. So passive voice, you should use a lot of active voice instead of only few percentage of passive voice is allowed, right? Active voice is mandatory. Okay, consecutive sentences like joining words but similarly, however, these kind of words has to be written more. Subheading distribution, like you have to have many headings and paragraphs. So that's like paragraph length should be small, not too long. Sentence length should be like short and crisp. Okay, transition words. So everything has to be done, but only like it's not easy to get all the conditions in green. So go with whatever you can, but readability should be in green. Okay, so this is on page SEO. After this, you have to learn off page, which I will give it in my next tutorial. Okay, so if you like my video, subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.